How to autoplay on mobile data and Wi-Fi on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to autoplay on mobile data and Wi-Fi on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First then go to your Facebook and here click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down until you find media and you have autoplay. You can choose like I did on mobile data and Wi-Fi together, or you can choose on Wi-Fi only or never autoplay videos. Now click on mobile data and Wi-Fi and turn on this option. You can choose whatever you want of those options, and this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.